Do you love your roads in your area? Well, I have issues in my area where I reside. So today, I would like to highlight the issues of our people in Nagali and Keone. These are really small villages and you can see that their roads are in a pathetic condition. Let's go for a ride. So you can see this area. This is in Nagali and this road upwards takes you to Nagali Hills, which is close to Donapal. Now these people on these roads have been suffering for the last 4 years. See the pathetic condition of these roads. See how this family is coming down on the bike, struggling. So this is what we are giving to the people. 4 years these people have been suffering. This road will take you straight up to Donapal. And you can see how bad condition it is. And these people have been suffering for the last 4 years. This is the top area of Donapal. You can see the difference. When you come down the slope, this is what you will get. Pathetic condition of the road. They have been digging, they have work been going on, people have been troubled. The sewage work also was happening and this has been a constant battle. This road is a shortcut going from Keone to Nagali. Everyone who's residing here in Talegaon knows the shortcut road. People who take the bypass Miramar or the main bypass in Talegaon don't know about these small connections. And these people have been suffering, the locals have been suffering for years now. Almost 4 years these roads have not been touched. Why? They get elected again and again. But this is the pathetic condition they're keeping in. Why? Why there's no willpower to get these roads fixed? You can just see for yourself how bad this road is. And look at this lady coming up through. It's so dangerous for her because she's on the opposite side of the road. And this is a car that's going straight down. You can see on which side of the road it's gone. This is the pathetic condition that we need to give our people. Now, these are the panchayat roads. You can see for yourself how beautifully the panchayat has done the work. It was just 2 or 3 days ago, that middle of the night, that's midnight, that this patchwork road has been done. Why is panchayat giving first preference to the community center, then to the people? It's high time we raise up these issues because it's a need of the hour. And road safety is the most important thing for the people. Please, if you have roads like this in your area, I would request you to highlight them. I would request you to show it to your panchayat. I would request you to tag your MLA on social media so that they are made aware. It is important that we get this work done. Elections are close by, so all the roads will start getting done. If you can see, you can already see in Miramar, in Karanjale, roads are getting done. After 4 long years of people going through a lot of trouble. So time to wake up, time to voice up. Thank you.